This community is a rural community that has seen its fair share of challenge with manufacturing leaving this community a long time ago. When we bought this was basically the last business that was here, the last business standing from a point of manufacturing. And so you had a lot of people that are really hardworking Americans that understand what it means to do an honest day's work, and they just need the opportunity to do that.
Our primary products, they're all commercial appliances of some shape or form. Right now, we have two divisions. First one is steam products, particularly pressing machines for the laundry and dry cleaning business. And then the other half of the business is commercial laundry. So commercial washers, commercial dryers. We got about 30 people that are working full-time in this facility right now, which is about triple what it used to be when we started off. Jobs like this are few and far between in rural America. So because of that, unfortunately, a lot of students graduating to high school, they go to college, they never come back. The fact that we're building something like this here where people can come out of school, go and get a degree, come back here and have that skilled job and, raise their families in the same community they grew up in, that's really important to me.
Dushore was a dying community because there's no factory work. It's just, mom and pop stores. With UnityLab coming in and giving us the jobs that we have and bring on more jobs, it's given us the room to really grow. They treat you as family, and it's really given me a chance to broaden my horizons with the company to meet new people and talk to new people all over the world that I've met.
Well, it is a small town and everybody pretty much knows everybody, and a lot of great people work here. UnityLab took over and we're thankful because it wasn't looking too good, and where we live, you have to drive 25 to 50 miles to get a job. So this is very important for the community and the people close to home.
The reason I'm passionate about UnityLab is because not only are we able to build a business that can grow and address a market need, but more importantly, we're able to affect the outcome of a community. And although we're a relatively small company by the standards of companies in the world, we're creating really big positive impacts in this community. We're able to now provide jobs that quite frankly didn't exist. We're able to transfer knowledge from people that have worked here for 30 to 40 years to a new generation of employee. And most importantly, we're able to see real positive impact through the growth of our business and how that kind of takes shape in the community at large.